Welcome back in our EVS class. Students, today we are discussing our topic time to dress up. Students, as you know, early humans did not wear clothes. They covered their body with the help of leaves, bark of trees and skin animals. With the passage of the time, they learned to make the clothes. And nowadays, beta, we wear different types of clothes. They protect us from heat, cold, rain, insects bite. Okay? And see, we wear different types of clothes. There are two types of clothes, cotton clothes and woolen clothes. This one, cotton clothes made up of cotton. And we get cotton from cotton plant. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Beta, why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because cotton clothes are light and they absorb sweat easily. And they keep us cool in the summer. And cotton clothes like shirt, t-shirt, okay, saris, bedsheet, etc. Now second is woolen clothes. Beta, woolen clothes are made of woolens and we get wool from the hair of sheep, goat, rabbit, camel, okay, and they keep us warm. वो हमें गर्म रखते हैं. And woolen clothes like jacket, ठीक है, sweater, gloves, caps, etc. And student, rainy season. In rainy season, we keep ourselves dry by wearing the raincoat, gumboots and using umbrellas. And they are made up of waterproof material. Okay, so these are the cloths, cotton cloths, woolen cloths and rainy season's cloths. Now, student, next is types of fibers. Student, next is fiber. Beta, there are two types of fibers, natural fibers or synthetic fibers. Student, natural fibers are obtained from the plants and animals like cotton, jute, wool. We get cotton from cotton plants and jute from jute plants and wool from the hair of sheep, rabbit and camels. And synthetic fibers are also known as man-made fibers and they made of chemicals in the factories like polyester, nylon, rayon, okay, and fabric of synthetic fibers are durable, long lasting and light. Now students, see uniforms. Beta, people who do jobs wears uniforms and uniforms suit the kind of job each person does, like policeman, people in the army, nurse, doctor, postman, traffic policeman are wear uniforms. And children, you also wear na uniform in the school? Yes, beta? Yes, children also wear uniform in the school. Now, costume. Beta, people belong to different states in the India and wear different types of clothes. And such clothes are called costumes. And people can be identified by the types of clothes those we wear. जो कपड़े पहनते हैं, जैसे पंजाब में अलग कपड़े चलते हैं, कश्मीर में अलग तरह की कॉस्ट्यूम्स होती हैं, ठीक है, इंडिया में अलग हैं, वो हमारे राजस्थान में अलग हैं. इस तरह से अलग अलग स्टेट्स में अलग अलग तरह की कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनी जाती हैं. सो दिस इज़ द क्विक रिविजन ऑफ द चैप्टर टाइम टू ड्रेस. Now time to revise our book exercise. See beta. Now students, see, first put a tick on the correct option. First beta, cotton clothes are worn in dash season. A, winter. B, rainy. C, summer. Yes student, tell me, when we wear which season we wear cotton clothes? Yes, सूती कपड़े हम कब पहनते हैं बेटा? Summer season. So what the answer of A exercise? First is C option, summer. As SUMMER. Now second student, we get wool from silkworm, sheep, plant. Yes beta, we get wool from sheep. Yes, we don't get wool from the silkworm, no, and plants, no, we get wool from the sheep. Now what the answer? B option, SHEEP, sheep. Now B exercise, see beta. Here are some pictures given, students, and some names are also given. You have to match the following. First, see first picture of which astronaut. Who's the picture first? Astronaut. 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 Now second is, who's the picture of second beta? Nurse. NURSE. Now third one picture is policeman. POLICE, police. MAN, policeman. Now fourth picture is, yes, student. STUDENT, student. No, now beta, these are the book exercise. Okay, now revise. See, now students, see, revise the new words. ABSORB, absorb. SWEAT, sweat. WEAVING, waving. YARN, yarn. DURABLE, durable. FABRIC, fabric. UNIFORM, uniform. COSTUME, costume. SPINNING, spinning. And REFLECT, reflect. Okay beta, so revise these new words. Now word meaning, see. Now see word meaning. First, PROTECT, protect. What's the meaning of protect beta? To keep safe. TO2 KEEP, keep. SAFE, safe. Now ABSORB, absorb. Absorb का meaning है बेटा suck up. SUCKUP, suck up. Now YARN, yarn. yarn का meaning है बेटा thread. THREAD, thread. Now COSTUME, costume. costume का meaning क्या है friends? outfit. OUT, out. FIT, fit. outfit. Now wave, WEAVE, wave का होता है knit. KNIT, knit. Okay, protect, to keep safe. Absorb, suck up. yarn, thread. costume, outfit. And wave, knit. Now let's revise, define these. Now students, see beta, define these. First, natural fibers. NATURAL, natural. FIBRES, fibers. Student, natural fibers are obtained from the natural sources like plants and animals. Means those fibers that are obtained from plants and animals like cotton, wool, jute. Okay beta. Second is synthetic fibers. SYNTHETIC, synthetic. FIBRES, fibers. Beta, synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Fibers that are obtained, fibers that are made in the factories from the chemicals like polyester, nylon or rayon. And third one is wool. Wool is the soft thick hair of sheep. What's the wool beta? The soft thick hair of sheep. Now these are three, define these. Okay, now let's revise our question answer. Now student beta, question answer. Here are three question answer. Let's revise them. First, how did early man cover himself? Means beta, what's the question? कि जो अर्ली मैन थे, जो आदि मानव थे, वो अपने आप को किससे कवर रखते थे, किससे ढकते थे? क्योंकि पहले ज़माने में आज जब अर्ली मैन से उस समय में क्लॉथ तो हुआ नहीं करते थे, तो वो अपने जो बॉडी है उसको किससे कवर करते थे? तो आंसर इज अर्ली ह्यूमन कवर्ड हिमसेल्फ या कवर्ड दियर बॉडी. अर्ली ह्यूमन्स कवर्ड दियर बॉडी विद लीव्स, बार्क ऑफ ट्रीज एंड स्किन एनिमल्स. वो अपनी जो बॉडी होती थी बेटा उसको किससे ढकते थे बेटा? लीव से, पत्तों से, बार्क ऑफ ट्रीज यानी पेड़ की जो छाल होती है उससे, और एनिमल्स की स्किन, जो जानवर होते हैं उनकी खाल से अपने आप को कवर करते थे, ढकते थे. तो व्हाट्स द आंसर? अगेन सी, अर्ली ह्यूमन्स कवर्ड देयर बॉडी विद लीव्स, bark of trees and skin animals. Okay, now question second is, why do we wear cotton cloths in summer? हम समर यानी गर्मी में कॉटन क्लॉथ्स यानी सूती कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? ऐसा क्यों नहीं है कि हम लोग गर्मी में वुलन क्लॉथ्स पहने और विंटर्स में हम क्या बोलते हैं इसको, कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहने? उल्टा क्यों नहीं है? Why we wear always cotton clothes in summer? There are some reason behind this. Because beta, we wear cotton clothes in summer because they are light and they keep us cool and so absorb sweat easily. यानी बेटा वो कैसे होते हैं? लाइट होते हैं. जो कॉटन क्लॉथ्स होते हैं वो हल्के होते हैं और हमको कूल रखते हैं, कीप अस कूल, ठंडा रखते हैं हम लोगों को. और स्वेट, SWEAT, स्वेट यानी पसीना, वो हमारे जो पसीना आता है उसको आसानी से सोख लेते हैं. क्योंकि समर्स में हमें गर्मी लगती है, गर्मी का मौसम होता है, तो हमें क्या चाहिए होता है कि ऐसे कपड़े पहने जो हमें ठंडक पहुंचाएं और जो हमारे पसीने को आसानी से सोख लें. तो इसलिए ही हम लोग क्या करते हैं बेटा? कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं समर में. सो वी वियर कॉटन क्लॉथ्स इन समर because they are light, keep us cool and absorb sweat easily. Okay, now students see question 3. Name any 3 things made of wool. आपको यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी 3 चीज़ों के नाम लिखने हैं जो कि वूल यानी ऊन से बनी हुई होती है. अब वूल वाले थिंग्स, वूल से कौन से क्लॉथ बने हुए होते हैं? वुलन क्लॉथ्स. अब आपको यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल बताने हैं वुलन क्लॉथ्स के, तो बताइए. कैप, ग्लव्स, स्वेटर और कोट, जैकेट. यस, सो कोट, जैकेट, ग्लव्स, कैप, स्वेटर्स आर मेड अप ऑफ वूल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दीज आर द 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो बेटा नाउ वी हैव डन रिवाइज chapter time to dress up. Okay students, you also students learn the chapter. Okay, and beta if you have any query then you can ask to your teacher, means to me and your class teacher. Okay, now bye bye, goodbye.